Yo, 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 I'm with them boys.
Yo, yo, yo.
Say, brother.
Hey, brother.
We're gonna go pick up some stuff from a homie, and then we're gonna come back and enjoy it. I don't have to be to the studio till 5, so we're kind of just chilling. Also, Utah's beautiful. Let me put you up in the sky. The goods been got. Now we're headed back to the spot. Making beats on the spot.
Ooh.
You know I'm fucking hot.
With your chick on my...
Your chick on my got. Right?
We should probably get the trash and shit. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Trash.
Trash. Trash. Pulling cash. We don't need to act classy to get the fucking whack stash. You know we on it like green pash. Fuck. Oh, back at the spot. Time for some lunch. Starving. Help. Lunch was delicious. I've been making tunes and chilling. I was just thinking about how I'm headed to the studio at night. Like, it'll pretty much be getting dark, and I don't know, I just love like night mode, you know what I'm saying? Like, getting, especially in the winter, you have to have like warm things, you know what I mean? Like, but you want them to look cool, like be warm, you know, it's like this combo. Like, I love wearing layers and like trying to put together an outfit that's dope. It's always just black, but you know, whatever. So yeah, we're headed to the studio in a couple minutes, chilling. What a great day. Wednesdays are chill because I just work 5 to 8, or is it 5 to 9? One or the other. So I'm on to Salt Lake in a sec, but yo, so we got here, we're in the studio. We got classes, 4 classes, starting at 5 till 9, so shouldn't be too bad. We got Cash and Alexis coming in for their advanced session, then Sean and Max for the advanced, and then 2 regular classes, so should be good times tonight. I'm stoked. I'm actually super stoked. I just got a brand new backup, so I can back up my hard drive and also back up my phone so that I can delete everything on my phone, so it just feels fresh. I feel like I have some old memories on that. You know what I mean? I just want to have like a freshie. So I'm gonna back it all up and feel good about that. Ooh, it's kind of sexy. Oh yeah, when I bought this, I also made sure that it was solid state, which means that there's no moving parts. There's not like a disc that's inside spinning. So it will, like, I can put it in my backpack and, you know, bounce around with it and whatnot. It'll be okay. So keep that in mind when buying backups. Look, it's the first advanced class of the day. We got Doskal. We got Mr. Banditson.
Now.
Oh, wait, there's no Doskal at all? You got shirts?
Yeah.
Gang shit. That's tight.
Oh yeah, that's the gold.
Is that black on gold, right?
Yeah.
Colors look weird in the room, but we're going in. Cash wants to make rhythm, is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's do it. Find one of those ridiculous cymatic snares, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Also, you know that sound, like the punching sound, or like slapping sound in movies?
Yeah.
That sounds good as a snare if you're going way aggressive. You know what I'm saying? Like, just wrapping up the day. Focus. Sick. Yep, turn off all the CDJs, turn off the lights. It's 9 o'clock at night. Sessions were fun, but I'm ready for some dinner and some chill. Made it back to the spot. Found him, boy. House music, I guess. Also, we're making these Annie's burritos. If you never had these, or they're Amy's. Sorry, Amy's burritos. Super dank. All right, I ate, I peed, hung out with the homies, and now it's time to make some tunes. Yo, that was a sick day. I'm gonna just PSA. Mini Microdot and 6 Chakra released a clip of the collab that we're working on right here.
Empty the mind. Look at that
Pretty dope. Happy with the plays I got. I got like almost 1,000 plays in like the first 13 hours or something. Like 200 reposts. Like super sick. Those boys are badass. I got the flow, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm just gonna swing this little pinner to myself and call it a night. But I appreciate you watching, you know. I appreciate the comments. Tomorrow's gonna be a mad one. We're going to Sky Club. It's Jack's moving away. I forgot to tell you guys. Super sad, but Jack's moving back to California and then to England, I think, so I'm let down, but it was fun while we had him, right? Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching. Push waves. Those are the Chronicles.